to a new episode of Arts and Culture Stories with Khushbu Bagga. And today I am in this beautiful palace with my dear friend Maharani Mandakini Kumari of Santrampur. Hello Mandakini.
Hello Khushbu, thank you for having me here.
Pleasure. Santrampur, with its rich history, vibrant culture and strong community, holds a very special place in story of Gujarat. And Maharani Mandakini here carries this legacy forward with immense grace. She is known not only for her royal heritage, but also for the way she connects deeply with people. She represents a blend of tradition and modernity with immense charm. In today's conversation, I will take liberty of going beyond titles and formalities. We will talk about the lighter side of the palace, her childhood memories, the personal joys, quirks that make her who she is, and of course some fun stories along the way. So let's get started with some icebreakers.
Sure.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
So in my younger days, I was definitely a night owl. But I think last 15 years, I have become a morning person now, and I'm loving it.
Okay. And it's healthier.
It's very good. I'm loving it. Yeah.
What's the first thing you usually do when you wake up?
Have a glass of warm water.
Okay. And how's your morning routine like? What do you do to maintain yourself, your beautiful skin, and your fitness, everything?
Maybe the skin I should attribute to genetics from my parents.
Your mother?
My mother was from Himachal and she was very pretty.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So yes, definitely. I do yoga, which I learned the discipline of yoga because my father, he's been doing yoga for the past 50 years.
Okay.
And he's always told us that it is one way to keep yourself fit, younger,
mentally and physically.
Both. Yes. So
Okay.
definitely he's the inspiration behind doing yoga every morning.
Wow. Fabulous. So you do it every morning or it's like
So
3 days?
No, every morning.
Wow.
Every morning. Some days if I'm not able to, it's fine. I
Yeah.
don't stress about it.
Yeah.
But even if I can do 15 minutes, I do it.
You do it.
Yeah.
Breathing and all. And you have
Breathing.
a yoga teacher coming in or you do it on your own?
No. So I actually, learned on my own and I've done a few yoga classes. But I follow this app, and there's this book on Iyengar Yoga which I learned from.
Okay.
Which is like a Bible for
Yes,
anybody
yes.
doing yoga because he teaches it so well, step by step. And
So
mixture of
basically
that.
you follow Iyengar yoga.
Little bit of Iyengar, and then I follow. There's a lady in Canada actually called Cassandra, and
I've heard of her.
Yeah,
I think my husband follows her
I
classes.
just love
yes,
the way
online.
she
Yes,
teaches,
yes.
and her voice is so soothing early in the morning.
Yes.
And she does a mix of yin and yin is really good. Yin is like a Chinese, I think, yoga concept where it's
Yes.
you hold the pose
Yeah.
for a long time,
Yeah.
and that just relaxes you.
Yes,
It just
yes.
clears your headspace and your,
Yes,
it's
yes.
amazing.
And it's online, so it's easy.
It's
breezy.
online, so you
don't-
can download and do it on your own,
Yes,
So there's no
yes.
compulsion that at a certain time and somebody is waiting for you or
Yeah.
nothing like that. I can do it on any time that I like, but I mostly do it in the mornings, yes.
Okay.
And then by the lake, so it's just...
Yeah, it's fabulous.
it's just,
yeah.
yeah.
Tea, coffee, or something else to start the day with?
Coffee to start
Okay.
the day. Yeah,
Okay.
definitely. Maybe tea in the evening, but coffee.
coffee.
Yes.
Okay.
Black coffee.
Okay.
600 ml.
Okay. With no milk, no, soy milk or nothing, just black.
Just black coffee,
espresso.
no
Yeah,
sugar.
Okay, like a big shot.
Like a French press. Yeah.
Okay, French press. Okay.
Yeah.
Your comfort food?
Eggs.
Eggs, really? Okay.
Love eggs.
Okay. In what form?
Roj khao ande.
Yeah. And of course for protein.
For protein, but it's from the beginning. I mean, I don't know, since childhood, it's been like my most favorite
Yeah.
to go food, or and it can be eaten in all forms.
Yeah. But
So,
what is
yeah.
your favorite form? Omelette or boiled or?
Lot of ways to eat it, but maybe like a poached or a fried.
Poached, okay.
Yes, or even a scrambled. All
Yeah,
forms, as I
all
told you,
forms.
all
Okay,
forms. Yeah,
okay,
just love it. Yes.
A book series or movie you've rewatched way too many times?
So I don't think I've rewatched per se, but I love spy thrillers and
Okay. So you're
the
basically
way-
into that
I
genre.
love that
Yeah,
genre. So
yeah.
and when I was younger, I used to read a lot. I don't read anymore. I just read a lot of like Jeffrey Archer, Sidney Sheldon. So
Okay.
love that genre.
Yeah, yeah.
So I can't like get anything, but I love watching shows nowadays. So
Like on
yes.
OTT, you mean to say?
Oh, yes, everywhere.
Yeah.
So I loved Game of Thrones. I think it was
Okay.
yes.
Yeah.
Then there was a show called Schitt's Creek. I don't know if you've
Oh
seen
my
it.
God, I
It was
just
just so
saw it
good.
again, like I think
Yes.
for fourth
Yes,
time.
yes.
Oh my God,
And
I
my
will
husband
love
hasn't
with
seen it, and I've been telling him that you must
You
watch
must.
it.
I have been telling my husband, but he's like, "What are these characters?
Because the
Who are these
humor,
people?"
it's
Yeah,
just-
but then
it's
you have to
so
literally
good.
sit and see the
Yes,
humor,
yes,
which is
yes,
yeah.
it's
And
really-
both brother and sister, they are my
Yes,
most
yes,
favorite.
yes,
Oh my
yes,
God, I can't
yeah.
get over them. Their
Yes,
body language, the way
yes.
they talk, it's all so fun.
It's really amazing.
It's fun watching them.
And it's just the spirit of the entire family,
Yeah,
like
yeah. How
they've
they
lost
get into
everything.
yes, they'll lose everything.
But how they're just holding themselves together
Holding
in spite of
themselves,
that. So it's
yeah.
actually a great learning experience
Great
in a
learning.
comedy genre.
Yes,
you
and
know?
towards the end, how they sort of go back to their
Yes.
yeah.
Yes,
I mean,
yes, it's amazing.
Yes,
It's really
it's
amazing.
a fabulous
yes,
show.
Yes,
yeah.
yes, yes. Thoroughly enjoyed it.
Yes. Do you prefer dressing up for an event or keeping it casual?
I'm very OTT. Over the top.
Oh really? I haven't seen you.
So
over the
dressing up
top.
definitely I would not. So dressing up is whatever I feel like, but I would
Ah.
never be like underplay anything. I like being
With jewelry
top
and
of
all,
my
heavy
game.
jewelry and all.
like I don't know heavy or not, but I like being on top of my game rather than
Ah.
I was underdressed. I don't ever want to feel
Okay,
that.
okay.
I'd rather be overdressed than be underdressed.
Then be underdressed.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, definitely.
So you can confidently carry it.
Yeah, of course. Why
Yeah,
not?
But I mean, this is your uniform. Like
Yeah,
I've seen you
yeah.
with your chiffon
Yes,
saris, with your
yes.
pallu,
Yes,
and,
yes,
and
always.
it's so graceful, it's so beautiful, and that is what our culture is all
Yes,
about.
it is,
So
it
it's,
is,
it's
it
very
is,
inspiring.
it
It's
is.
beautiful. What is your go-to snack during a day?
So, I'm not a very snacky person.
Okay.
Strange enough, like I really don't enjoy like people enjoy chips and things like that.
Munching
I
and
don't.
all.
No,
Oh,
no.
that's why you're so fit.
I just
and-
can't do it. I don't
Okay.
enjoy, but if you had to say, it would be like a Bikaneri save or something, which in
Okay.
school we used to eat with tomato ketchup.
Okay.
In boarding school,
Yeah, of course.
it was
yeah.
a thing that we ate
Haan.
Bikaneri save with tomato ketchup, and it's amazing.
Or Maggie with tomato ketchup or
Haan,
something. Yeah, those things you pick from your
yes. So
boarding
it would be that
schools.
save, the
Okay.
Ratlami save or the
Yeah.
the thicker save that they make in Ratlam,
Yes.
which in my
Indore,
hometown.
it comes from Indore.
Indore.
Like
It's my hometown
mother
also.
says,
They
yes,
used to
I'm
make
sure
that thick,
Madhya
the
Pradesh.
spicy
Yeah,
save. So
Yeah.
definitely, that would be my
munching thing.
yes. If I had
at
to,
all.
if I
Okay.
had to.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I don't generally.
Okay. One app you spend too much time on.
So app would be maybe my notes.
Okay, really? Why? Like you sort of
So like
write down things
trying
that
to
come
yes,
to your,
yes,
comes
yes,
to your mind
yes,
and then you put
yes,
it down.
yes,
and
yes. I enjoy Instagram also,
Yeah.
but definitely notes. So all the time, like I make sure that it's I'm on the go, and I can just sort of note down what has to be done, or
Okay. Things
note
to
down
do.
what maybe it can be things to do. It can be some quote I've seen from somewhere which I want to write
Okay,
down.
okay.
Something I need to tell somebody.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Anything creative?
yes.
Okay.
Just whatever comes to mind. So then that's
You
something
use
which
notes.
I use. Yes,
Okay.
strange.
Lovely. Yeah, strange. I thought it would be Instagram, but yeah. I mean, even I use notes a
Yeah.
lot. Yeah. A city you visited that pleasantly surprised you.
I think so. Not a city per se, but it would be a country, which is a small country called Malta.
Oh my God. Okay, you tell me your experience.
So we actually went there because my son he was taking part in an international shooting competition in Malta,
Okay.
and that's how we landed up going there. But it was so beautiful.
So beautiful. It's Yellow City, basically.
Yes, it is.
That stone
the
throughout the
stone,
city.
the
Oh my God.
architecture,
Architecture, yes.
the food,
Yeah.
and it was just
It's
just
another,
beautiful.
yeah, it's beautiful.
Yes,
place.
it
it's
was
another
beautiful.
world. It's
Yes,
so beautiful.
yes, it
yeah,
was. It was really
Could you
unique.
see those museums
By lanes, the
Yes, by
museums,
lanes.
everything. It was,
as soon as you enter the city?
Yes, Valletta is the
Yes,
capital.
yes.
And it was just very nice, very nice.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And it was laid back. At the same time,
Yeah,
it was
very
buzzing.
chilled out and buzzing
Yes,
and
yes. So it was
yeah,
a very good mix. It was like not, though. I mean, one loves the buzz also. Let's say like city like New York, you'll just love the buzz, the vibe.
Yeah.
But this was really nice.
Yeah, it's a different kind of buzz.
Yes,
you
yes.
have tourists and
Yeah.
all people flocking from museum to museums, and then
Yes.
throughout the city.
Yes.
It's
Malta
fun.
was.
It's
Yes,
beautiful.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah. Do you enjoy big gatherings or smaller, intimate ones?
I actually don't mind both. It depends on the occasion, and even intimate gatherings are of course great because you get to know people, you get to interact with people on a personal level. So
Yes.
that's great
Yeah.
to build relationships.
Yeah, more meaningful.
Yes, more meaningful. But I also feel in a bigger gathering, it's good to socialize, to be to be seen per se.
Yeah.
But at the same time, even in a bigger gathering, you ultimately find your corner.
Yeah.
You ultimately find like-minded people.
And
You find a big gathering can turn into a small affair
of your own.
Yes,
True.
So I think it works both ways.
Both ways,
Yes,
yeah.
absolutely.
Yeah. Do you prefer long drives or short walks?
I love long drives. I love driving. I would drive anywhere.
You love driving yourself?
No, I don't drive myself.
Acha, you don't drive.
I don't
Okay.
drive. I don't drive,
Yeah.
so I'd rather be driven.
Yeah.
But I love drive, like long drives.
Long drives.
Yes.
Okay.
I
With
can.
your
I can do
music
the,
on.
Yes, and I can go to anywhere in India. I would love to drive and go. If I had a choice, I would drive.
Okay. So
And
like road trips. you
Road
mean to
trips,
say.
road trips.
Okay.
Definitely.
Okay.
Love it.
Okay.
Yeah.
An activity that helps you de-stress quickly.
It's definitely yoga or meditation.
Do you
Definitely. No, I don't swim.
Okay,
I
but
don't
you have a
swim.
beautiful
yes, I know.
pool in your
Can
house,
you
in
imagine?
your
I've never
palace.
entered it.
Oh, really? But why?
I
Why
think just because being in Santrampur is just like, I don't
It's
know, somehow.
awkward with the staff around
Yes,
and
I've thought.
everything.
Yes,
Yeah,
though
I
my
can
children have insisted
understand.
that just come one day with us.
And then
no.
you can just
Maybe I
tell your
will
staff
go.
to go away, and then
So maybe one day I will.
You should.
I still haven't
good,
gone.
Yeah. So aren't you like are you like a water
No, I'm
person or a
not.
mountain person?
No. I'm not. I don't. I think like a plain person. I don't. No
nature,
puns.
maybe
No
nature
puns.
person.
No puns intended.
Okay, but you have a
No,
beautiful
Yes, so
lakeside.
I love the forest actually.
Okay.
Forest is
Nature,
something.
yeah.
So nature more than like mountain or water. I mean, I love being next to a water body. It's
Yeah.
great.
When you travel, are you the plan everything types or go with the flow?
Definitely plan. I love to have a plan. Ki we'll go here. We'll do this. Definitely. Little bit you can mix in of to go. So when you see a place, you realize that maybe this was not the right thing to do, and maybe you want to do something else
Yeah.
or see something else.
Yeah.
But yes, I love to plan.
But you plan the trip, or your children, or your husband? Who does
Between
it?
my husband and I, mostly.
You are the-
yes.
okay. You
And if
plan.
you're going to children, then you take their input also, and they give
Yes.
their little inputs or whatever. I mean, they're grown up now, so
Yeah, but you do the research and all?
yes. Even my husband does. He's very good with all that.
One song that can instantly put you in a good mood.
Manic Monday. Today being Monday.
Okay. Okay. Would you like to sing it for us?
No, I can't sing to save my life.
Okay. All right. Anything from
But,
Hindi music, like
I
Indian
love-
classical or
I,
Hindi or
I'm
Bollywood?
not a lot into classical,
Okay.
but I love bhajans also.
Acha, bhajans.
I love listening to bhajans.
Bhajans,
Yes.
okay.
I listen every morning when I do my yoga.
Okay.
I listen to bhajans.
To bhajans.
So
Okay.
it's the whole vibe.
But no Bollywood music.
No, I like Bollywood
You like
also,
Bollywood.
but like not so much. Like
Not so
maybe in a
much.
car journey or something.
No favorite
But
music
otherwise,
director.
I would not like listen to it. Like
Acha.
yeah.
Okay.
Music director, I think Amit Trivedi is good.
Okay.
Sachin Jigar are good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Vishal Shekhar also.
Yes.
Very nice. All of them are good.
Okay. Something simple that can instantly make you smile.
My grandchildren.
Okay. How old are they?
So the my elder granddaughter is 5, and the younger one is a year old now. She's just completed.
My
the
God,
year.
my viewers here will be shocked to know that you are a grandmom of 2 young children.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it is. How do you do it? It's just so inspiring and fabulous.
I
Oh
think
my God.
I got married early. My daughter got married early.
No, but
She had
still,
babies early.
of course, that is there. But I mean, still, you look quite young.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. If you weren't living in Santrampur, where would you imagine yourself?
I would be in some country in Europe, maybe Italy,
Hmm.
tiny little town, you know, cobbled
Yeah,
streets.
yeah.
Yeah, I
Maybe
would
Malta
be.
only because
Yeah, maybe
they are
Malta,
like
maybe
almost
somewhere
joined
in Italy, anywhere, you know,
Yeah.
but definitely in Europe.
in Europe.
If I were to be reborn, I would tell I want to go and live in Europe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you enjoy trying new foods or stick to favorites?
Oh, I love new stuff, new foods. I
Okay,
would.
so you
yes,
explore.
yes, absolutely,
okay.
absolutely.
Hmm.
Love to try new foods always, and I feel that you should always try cuisine of the place that you are traveling
That
to,
local
or
food.
even if you're visiting a certain place,
Yes.
because I think food just represents the culture,
Culture of the country, of the place
yes,
you're
yes.
visiting.
It is the
Yes.
heartbeat of
Yes.
any place. I feel,
True that.
you know.
Yeah.
They say like the way to a man's heart is to their stomach. So I would say heartbeat of any city is food.
Yeah,
Is the
any
food
city's
culture of that place.
Agreed.
Yes.
Agreed.
Yes.
Yeah. What is the last thing you binge watched?
What did I binge watch? There's so many. I'm going to lose count of them only. But what I really enjoyed was a Diplomat. Have you seen Diplomat?
Okay, yes. No, I have
It's a
not seen, but
political
yeah, I know
drama,
about it, yes.
and I'm waiting for the new season to
Season to
come.
come up,
It was
okay.
very good.
Okay,
It was very good.
okay,
It was like fast paced, and
okay.
it's about
Politics.
politics,
Yeah.
American politics,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
based in Britain. It's like
Yes, yes.
in the UK. Sorry.
Yeah.
Interesting it was, and we
Yeah.
binge watched it. Yeah.
Okay. Do you enjoy surprises or prefer to know what's coming?
Yeah, surprises, no?
Surprises
One
are
would
good?
love, yes.
Okay.
Because when you know what's coming, then you're just like, it's like, what's the fun in it?
Okay.
Nahi?
No, because with me it's opposite.
Huh?
I like to know because I have to know what's coming. It can't be. I
Really?
don't like surprises.
Yeah.
No.
So maybe some part of me would be wanting to know,
Hmm.
but I'm really happy to be surprised
To be
also.
surprised. Wow. Okay.
Pleasant surprise.
So basically, you're chilled out.
yeah.
When one is not very sort of controlling or has
Huh.
OCD and
Huh.
they can let go of things
Hmm.
is when I think they would love surprises. Yeah.
So maybe I do have OCD also, but I love the surprise. So maybe I'm a mix of both.
Yes.
maybe, yeah.
Yes. Many people have assumptions about what it's like to grow up in a royal household. What's the reality that might surprise them?
It's like any other household. And see, it must have been different in the olden times when the Raj was actually there,
Yeah.
So after 1948, things changed.
Yes.
But when the rulers, our ancestors, even my late mother-in-law, they grew up in that era
Yeah.
when they were actually,
Part of
abhi to
that.
kya hai, the titles are there, but they are like honorary titles. Nobody, they're not
There's
given
not
by the government
so
of
much.
India per se.
Yes.
We use them out of respect.
Yeah.
For the family or things
True
like
that,
that. Today
true
you are
that.
calling me Maharani because you're giving me respect of,
Yeah.
of who I am.
Yeah.
But we're not recognized anymore. But definitely
But the lineage is still there.
lineage
so
is
it is
definitely
part of your
there.
culture.
Yes, it
and
definitely is there.
Why not?
So maybe what they experience, we have not experienced that.
Yeah.
But having said that, it was definitely a privileged world.
Yeah.
And you definitely had people look up to you,
Yes.
whether you are a young girl, as a princess in Raghoghar where I grew up, and coming here, so definitely it's a privileged world. But yes, but otherwise, if you ask me like a day to day, it's like any other person. I don't think it's very different.
But
apart from the responsibilities.
and also I think more rules and more culture to be followed in royal families. No, I mean,
Yes.
at least that is what is expected of
Yes,
royals.
so there are culture, as in I would say that lot of responsibilities of who you are as a person,
Yeah,
and what is expected out of you.
yes.
So that is something that one has to be very conscious of
Yes.
more than anything else.
True.
So, but that again comes down to society's perception,
Yeah.
right? How
Yeah.
society is perceiving you,
Yes.
or how people who are there in your the place that you belong to are perceiving you.
Yeah.
But on a personal level, it's like anybody else.
I don't know if I would agree to that, because see, like how you said that being a Maharani, it is little difficult for you to even go out and swim in your
Yes,
own palace,
yes.
because of the staff around and they
Yes.
expecting
Yes.
certain
So that's the perception, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you're ruled by how people perceive you
of you,
or
yeah.
expect you to be.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that is a little bit that you
Different.
have to be conscious about.
Yes.
Absolutely, you
Yeah.
have to be conscious. So that is the difference between the two. Otherwise, you are like any person today, because you don't have any privilege per se,
Yeah.
except that
The titles,
maybe you
and
have a palace or a
palaces.
house, and
Yes.
you maybe have certain.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's the same, I think.
Okay. Looking back, is there a funny or awkward moment that stands out from a public event?
Can't think of anything.
Maybe nothing has happened because you
Yes.
carry yourself so gracefully,
Ah.
and you're always like sort of
like no wardrobe
conscious,
malfunction.
and at least I have never seen you with any malfunction. Yeah, thankfully, touch wood.
Yes, thankfully. So
Yeah.
nothing that I can remember. I don't think.
Any friends or any of your sisters or family members that
I can't think of anything only.
Okay. So all good.
All good. I can't think of anything. Sorry, off the cuff.
Okay, no worries. That's okay. Now let's dig deeper into the conversation.
Okay.
Throw some light on early years of your life, your childhood memories, your birthplace, growing up years, something about your parents, your siblings. Tell us about your parents first.
Yes, so I belong to Raghugarh in Madhya Pradesh. That is where I grew up.
Yeah.
And my father is the Raja of the place.
Raja Digvijay Singh ji,
of Raghugarh.
Yes.
And so the childhood was very good. It was a very warm, very happy, very safe childhood. We had our playmates who used to come and play, and we used to run around in the fort all over the place. We used to go for picnics. We would go for night camps.
Okay.
And
you were allowed to do that?
Night camping with the family.
Within the fort, or like
no, outside next
also
to
you were
we would camp next to a lake,
Okay.
and so those night camping trips, you're getting up in the morning, you're next to a water body in the forest,
Yeah, okay.
So that's why I said I love the forest, because that was
your childhood.
Yes,
It's nostalgic
yes,
for you.
Yes, and picnics, next to a water body, next to a river. So it was a very, very, very good
Safe
childhood,
and happy
and
environment.
at the same time, we were sent to Delhi to be educated. My elder sister and me. We have actually 4 sisters
Okay.
and a brother. My brother came along, is the last one to be born.
Okay.
So my elder sister and I, we have a very less age gap.
Okay.
So, and my parents were living in Raghugarh at that time, and Raghugarh didn't have very good English medium school at that time. So my Nana Nani were in Delhi, and so we were packed off. We were packed off to Delhi, and then we studied in Delhi initially in a convent school.
So you never studied in Indore or Bhopal nearby?
Yes, in Bhopal I came back in the middle. Then we were in Delhi initially. And then middle school, I came back to Bhopal for a few years.
Okay.
And then went to Jaipur to a boarding school.
Okay.
To Maharani Gayatri Devi.
Oh wow.
Boarding school.
Lovely.
Yes.
Okay.
And then again college back in Delhi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it was a very good childhood.
Okay.
It was a mix of both, So you were in Delhi, you were going to a convent school, you got that education, you got that exposure.
Yeah.
And then you came back in your holidays to be in this old rambling
your
fort,
roots
old
and your-
rambling fort
Yeah.
where every festival is celebrated with naach, gana.
Wow.
You know, the dholni would come, would dholak baja ke gati, we would be dancing
Okay.
and going. So it was really nice. It was a great childhood.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tell us about your mother.
So my mother belonged to Himachal Pradesh, Ambota, in Una district.
Royal family or?
She was from a not a royal family,
Okay.
but she was a Rajput.
Okay.
Her father was a doctor. My nana was a
Okay.
doctor,
Wow.
and he was actually army doctor in Subhash Chandra Bose's army,
Okay.
in the INA. He
Hmm.
had served. He was a prisoner of war also.
Okay.
He lived in Delhi then, and so that is where we grew up. But and so my mother was simple Delhi educated Rajput girl.
Okay, but Delhi education was and still I think
Yes,
would be
yes,
one of the
yes.
best education
And because
in the
her
country.
father was a doctor, he was very particular about studies.
Yeah.
So she was going to go into. She got into pre-med. At that time, they used to have pre-med.
Okay.
So not medical straight away, it would be pre-medical.
Okay.
So she had also got into pre-medical, and my nana was like, "Isko to main doctor banaunga," and everything.
Yeah.
And then comes along my father, and you know, the alliance. Our alliances are all very formal, you know. Somebody suggests that, okay, this boy, this girl, and then, you know, there's always somebody who's mediating, like a
Yeah.
relative or like a
Yeah.
common relative.
Yeah.
And they suggested that this is a nice girl, and then the horoscopes are matched.
Hmm.
So the horoscopes matched well, and then you meet.
Okay.
And
Yeah, the formal way.
the formal
how
way,
Indian
how-
marriages are.
yes. And then of course they got married, and she went to Raghugarh, which was like a small little town.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, but the palace must be huge.
Yes,
no?
a small
Yeah.
town with
Because
a huge
your
fort.
father,
Huge
yeah,
fort.
Raja
yes,
Digvijay
yes,
Singh
yes,
ji, you know,
yes.
I remember I mean, my father is friends with him
Yes,
and
yes.
I mean acquainted with him, so
Yes,
I know about
yes,
him a
I
bit,
am.
not so much. But
So
yeah.
yes, and then they stayed there in the fort.
Okay.
And then, of course, with his politics, they would travel.
He would travel.
Then, whenever
quite
he
often
was
would
in
come to
active
Indore
politics,
and
yes,
Bhopal
Indore and Bhopal. Then they moved when he became a minister.
Yeah.
And when he was a member of parliament, then they were in Delhi.
Yes.
So they moved all over, but Raugarh was always your base. You know,
Yeah.
it was
yeah.
always where you went back to
the
your
main
roots.
house.
Yes,
Yes,
absolutely,
yes.
absolutely. And you know, Mama being from Delhi, she loved Raghugarh, and how, I mean, she was just so passionate about taking care of
The
things,
house.
of managing, whether it was the pujas or the cultural you know, aspect of it, of the renovations, she was a very, very keen homemaker.
Okay.
She kept a beautiful house. She kept a beautiful table.
That's where you got
made-
inspired from, and now your
definitely.
own house is
Mine,
so beautiful.
Definitely, it's her.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Definitely, that's totally her. You know, so she was just, and she was so proud. She was a very proud homemaker.
Proud homemaker.
Absolutely. So that, I'll say, I got it from my mama.
Yeah,
Yeah. So she was
Amazing.
amazing. Yes.
Okay. So, are there traditions from your childhood that you hope never fade away?
Yeah, definitely. You know, I mean, what
Something that your mom used to follow to the T and would make sure that, you know, even you
Yes,
children would
definitely.
also follow it
Definitely. You know, whether it is, so the traditions change from place to place
yeah,
a little bit. What
Yeah.
we have here, you
be
know.
a little different
Yes,
from what you.
yes,
yeah.
definitely things change. But the basic remains the same. You know, how you dress, how you speak, how you conduct yourself, how you are in a public setting, you know, how you treat people. I think
Yeah.
that is so important.
So important.
Maybe it's not a tradition, but maybe it's something that comes inherently in you.
From the value system
From the
that
value
your
system.
parents have.
Yes, so I think that's
Yeah.
so important.
That is so important.
You know,
Yeah.
so important how you treat. And the best thing that in our home, the dining table was like you sat down to eat. The food used to go on the entire day. You know,
Okay.
whether breakfast went to lunch, lunch went to dinner. It just went on in Raghugarh.
So the kitchen was always on.
Always open.
Always working and-
Always
yeah,
open.
yeah.
Food always food on the table, any time of the day. And it was the place that everybody got together, spoke about whatever they wanted to, whether it was politics or religion or some festival that was being discussed or some personal thing or social. But it was a place where everybody could speak what they wanted to speak. So that was great. And our parents, they were strict with us. We were not, especially with we girls, my mother was very particular that you have to conduct yourself a certain way. But at the same time, you got so much exposure just being on that dining table with the free-flowing conversation. So you were totally aware of what is happening in the world.
Yeah.
And you could meet maybe a person from a village with as much respect and love and have a conversation as you could meet a dignitary who came to your home, or somebody from a royal family or somebody from politics.
Okay.
So we were taught that you could handle both worlds beautifully. The balance,
so very good exposure was given.
Yes, and the balance that was created was very good.
Okay.
Yeah.
So but
I think
both your
that is
parents were progressive?
Very progressive.
Okay.
Very, very
They
progressive.
believed in educating
Yes.
children,
But
and
education,
especially girls.
yes, absolutely, education. But at the same time, my mother always said that you will study, you will always, she made sure that we did well. My mother were very particular that, we excelled in whatever we did. But at the same time, she always said that whenever I find a good home for you people, a good suitable boy with a good background and a good home, you will get married.
Yeah.
Whether you want to study or not is not an option.
Okay.
Because the priority is that I want you people to settle in a good home, which somebody might say that it is not very
It's
progressive.
not very progressive, yeah.
To think
Yeah.
like that.
Yes.
But that was the way it was.
It
That is
was.
what she thought. And
Yes.
it was totally something that we abided by.
Yeah.
And I think your parents always know what is right.
What is
to
good for
some
you,
extent,
and
what is
yes.
good for
Yeah,
you.
Yeah.
So yes, we listened.
Yeah.
Which was very important. So it was
Yeah.
good.
Yeah,
Yes,
good.
yes.
Quite
yes,
relatable.
yes,
I mean, even my
yes.
parents would be
And
saying.
another thing she told us that you might get married in a small town, not necessarily that you are living in a city or something. So you have to know how to adjust.
Yeah.
You cannot be wanting to be in some fancy place
Some
or like
metro
a city.
city only,
No,
or
yes.
yeah. Okay.
Though we
So
grew
that's
up.
very good then.
Yes. I remember my husband had moved back to Santrampur when just before we were engaged, because he lost his father. My father-in-law had passed away, and my husband moved back here. And when we met for the first time, again that same formal meeting, the first question he asked me was if I would be willing to live.
Okay, to yeah.
Yes.
Move here.
Yes. He actually asked me in a twisted way. He asked me, what do you prefer, Delhi or Raghugarh?
Okay.
So
he could understand.
So I said, I love Raghu. And though we met in Delhi, and I was doing college that time. So I said, no, I love Raghugarh, any day Raghugarh. He said, no, I thought you're like a Delhi girl and all. I said, no, I'm not.
Okay.
I'm not.
But you truly are not, right?
Truly not.
And
yes.
it is very important also. Otherwise, who will keep the legacy alive of small places like
absolutely
Santrampur and Bhavnagar?
Yes. Bhavnagar is still a city. It's bigger than it's very big. It's very big. Santrampur is still like a small town.
Yeah.
Yes, small town. But Raghugarh was same, so it didn't make any difference.
Yeah.
Yeah. One knew how to
adjust.
And you see, I always feel that you have to be happy on your own.
Yeah.
So when I was very small, I remember I told my mother once that I'm getting bored.
Okay. All right.
I told my mother I'm getting bored.
Yeah.
So one summer holiday, long summer day.
Yeah.
And she turned around and told me only boring people get bored.
Bored, yeah, okay. Yeah.
I have never used the word bored after that.
Great.
Khushbu.
Yeah.
Never used the word bored after that.
Wow, okay.
So you have to learn how to keep yourself
keep yourself busy,
occupied, busy, happy,
And wherever you are, you can do that. Yes.
It's a state of mind.
True that. My daughter tells me, Mama, I'm bored. I'm like, it's okay to be bored.
Maybe
Get
next-
bored.
yes,
Get bored.
yes,
It is.
yes.
It's good to be bored.
Yes.
It's only then when you will start thinking
You
what
get
you
creative. You'll get
yeah.
creative, right?
Only then you can get
Absolutely,
creative. Only then you will
absolutely.
understand how to, you know,
Yes,
explore things,
absolutely.
the resources that are
Hmm,
available to
hmm,
you.
absolutely.
It's not every time that you can, you know,
Yes.
go out and,
Yes.
you know, out of the
Yeah,
house and
yeah.
either with friends or whatever. You know, every time entertainment will not be possible for anybody.
And you have to learn how to entertain yourself, right?
And yeah, that's the best thing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, now let's talk about your present life in Santrampur, your husband, your children, and now your grandchildren, which is
Yes.
really shocking for me. But yeah, tell us about that.
Yes, Santrampur is good. You know, it's always, I love being here. My husband, and it's like the children grew up here.
Yeah.
But of course, for their education, we moved to Ahmedabad briefly.
Oh, okay.
Till, yes,
okay.
till
And
they-
that's why you have a place in Ahmedabad
Yes,
also.
yes. So, you know,
okay.
we had the choice of going to Bombay also, but because we had sort of established ourselves back over here, we didn't want to go to Bombay because it would have been very far to manage Santrampur then,
And yeah,
you
of
know.
course, yeah.
So, Ahmedabad was convenient.
Then it would be too much back and forth. And
Too
Ahmedabad
much
is
of back
just
and
3
forth.
hours
Yes,
drive.
yes,
so, yeah,
yes.
it's
It was
not-
easier. So, you know, the children, the basic primary education we did in Ahmedabad, and then they went on to boarding schools and things like that. But otherwise, it's nice. It's like we're here, and then of course, then we started restoring this property,
Yeah.
and it was ready, and then we didn't know what to do with it, you
Okay.
know. And then my husband's friend said that, you know, why don't you open it out for guests? You have
Yeah,
5
so-
guest rooms.
Yeah.
And my husband's reaction was like, who will come to Santrampur? You know, I mean, it's like back of beyond.
Yeah.
And we are not even like Rajasthan, where, and here there's no, I mean, you know, we have a liquor issue, prohibition. Because of
Yes,
prohibition,
Yes.
when people want to go on a vacation, you know, they don't want to be in the limitation of prohibition per se. So, so his friend said, no, try. You know, I'll send a few
Yeah.
people from Baroda, Ahmedabad.
Yeah.
And then it picked
It
up.
has turned out beautiful, beyond beautiful, I would say,
Thank
because
you.
and also because of the lake around,
Yes, yes.
surrounding the
Yes,
property.
yes. It is, the location is great,
It's
you know.
beautiful. Yeah, yeah.
And it's very untouched.
Yeah, very raw.
What I
very
love about
untouched,
it is
yeah.
very untouched.
Yeah, yeah,
So yeah, that's the beauty.
yeah. True that.
Definitely.
Very quiet, very calming
Yes,
place. Yeah.
it is.
How would you define a regular day in Palace?
It's like any other day, you know. Just
Managing things,
managing
food.
things.
Do you order your raw materials? Your
No, I don't. My
you have someone to
yes,
take
I
care
have
of that.
people doing it for me. But so the menu and all, of course, they ask me and I tell them
Achha,
what
you decide
menu.
every
Yeah,
day?
yeah. Menus
Okay.
I decide.
Hmm.
Menus I decide. But then they take care of everything else. And
Yeah.
you just have to oversee a bit
Yes.
and you know, just make sure that things are streamlined and everybody is doing. But I'm like a cleanliness freak, so I do
Okay.
take a round and check, so they know
Yeah.
that when I take my round and
Yeah.
you know, so that I'm very particular about.
Oh, that's very good,
Yes.
dear, because then your guests are also safe.
Yes,
So
yes.
that's very
So
good, and everything
that-
is homemade.
Yes,
so it's
everything is
lovely.
homemade. Everything
Yes,
is homemade. And
yes.
we procure everything locally.
Yeah.
You know, most of our produce is from here. We
Yeah.
don't need to go to the city. Few things, few fancy things, then you don't get
Yeah.
here, then you order or
Yeah.
go to the city. But
Yeah.
otherwise, we get everything here. So
Okay.
it's good. Yes.
If you had to design your ideal free day with no duties or expectations, what would it look like?
Oh, I don't know how it would be. Like,
You don't know how to
Yeah,
keep
I
yourself
don't
idle. You are like
know.
always
I don't
doing something or the
know.
other.
I don't know what I would do. You know, maybe I would just lounge around or something. But then the mind is always,
Do you read? Are you into reading?
I
or-
used to read a lot earlier. I don't read these, but I do read a little bit, but not much. But yeah, maybe I'd like watch a show or something.
Yeah, like binge watch.
Yeah, like
stuff
watch a
like
show.
That. Yeah.
But I just can't in the day, you know.
Okay.
I just
so you
can't.
have to do something or
Yes,
the other.
yes,
You
yes.
can't
I
sit
have
idle.
to have an agenda.
Yeah.
Like I have to have a daily agenda.
Huh.
That's the way I am, you know.
Okay. Always on the go.
Yeah, something or the
Something
other.
or other. And it's a huge property.
Yes,
it's
yes,
not
yes.
small. I mean,
And we
one
have
has
other
to see
places, you know,
things.
we have our trusts
Yes.
and we have temples and we
Yeah.
have old palace, Raj Mahal, we
Raj
have Hawa Mahal.
Yeah.
So there's something or the other
Okay.
always happening somewhere.
Some restorations or
some
something or the other.
restoration,
Yeah,
some cleaning agenda, something is
Sure.
broken, something has fallen.
Yeah.
Something or the other is always there. There is some.
How do you restore them then if they are broken or?
So I mean,
Because
it's
these are all like precious
Yeah,
things and they
so,
can't be,
of
you
course,
can't just
there's
dispose them off
no,
like
no.
that.
There's
You
a
have
whole
to-
system to it,
to restore it.
restoration.
Yeah.
Yes, it's a whole science behind it and
Oh, wow.
technicalities behind it. So it's not easy, but whatever we can
manageable.
do, yes, we
Yeah.
manage whatever we can from here. Otherwise, we get help from outside
Yeah.
and get professional people to come and
To
help
come and
us
help,
out.
yeah,
Yes, definitely, definitely you need that.
Yeah.
Because if you're doing lime plaster, then you need the technicalities of doing lime plaster, because here you're only using cement now.
Yeah.
So the old palaces and everything were made with lime plaster. So then these are the few things that you have to look into that ensure that it's done properly if you're restoring something.
Yeah. True.
So there's lots of things in restoration.
Yeah,
Lots of things.
I'm sure.
Yeah. But
Yeah.
yes, it's good fun. Something or the other there's a lot of activity.
Yeah, and lots of learning also, no?
Lots of
Yeah,
learning.
yeah.
Lots of learning. Yes.
I'm sure.
So I keep myself busy. I don't know how to be idle. Oh God.
Yeah.
Is it a good thing or a bad thing?
I mean, both are good. I mean,
Huh?
I sit idle a lot
Yeah?
of times. Yeah, yeah. In my own thoughts. I mean, I love my company.
Huh. Yeah,
So,
yeah, same
and
here.
I'm not always busy. I love to.
Huh.
I'm a lazy person also.
Huh.
So yeah, and
Huh.
very
Even
laid
I'm very
back person.
Same here. I'm
No,
very
you're
laid back.
active like that.
I'm
I'm very
active,
lazy
but-
also.
But I'm
Yeah.
very laid back also. Yeah, yeah. To some
Okay.
extent, I am
you are.
actually. Yes,
Huh.
yes, I am. Definitely. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, I mean, when you're living in a small city like this,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
tend
yeah.
to get laid back.
Absolutely.
Yeah, yeah.
So I love my slow mornings, you know.
Yes.
Like I just feel so stressed and I'm trying to get ready, like jaldi,
Jaldi.
fast,
Haan,
fast.
You need
I
your
can't.
own time with
I love
at your own
like,
pace.
I
and
think slow morning is a luxury.
the bed, it's luxury.
It's
totally.
a luxury
Yeah,
that
yeah.
I love and I'm not ready to give it up.
Same.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's the most important.
It's the most important
Yeah.
thing.
And then winding down
Even to
at
keep
night.
you mentally fit, it's very
Yes.
important.
And winding down at night.
Yeah.
You wind down with a good show or something.
Yeah. What time do you like sort of sleep?
11:30?
Okay.
11:30.
Okay.
Now the
Alright.
body clock has changed.
Okay. Do friends treat you differently because of your background, or do they forget you're a Maharani once you're just, sort of hanging out
Friends, so same, yeah.
Same?
Yeah.
Okay.
They wouldn't be friends, no, then?
with them? Then otherwise they
Ah,
won't be, yeah.
they
But then,
won't be.
but then there are certain things. At least, like, I don't know about you, but then there are certain Maharanis who would, want the common people, their friends also to, sort of behave in a certain way with them.
Can't
But you're
be
not
like
one of
this.
those.
I
yeah.
can't be like that. I'm just not
It
that
might get a
person.
little pretentious, no?
I'm not that person.
But
I
yeah,
think,
yeah.
you
I know, yeah. You totally
Yes,
are not.
yeah.
yeah.
Because I think so who I am as a person is more important
Yeah,
than
then your title.
than the title or what comes with the baggage.
With the
If you
with the
say,
baggage, yeah.
I mean, for want of a better word, I would not say baggage or whatever the privilege. I'll use the word privilege
Yeah.
because I should not say it's baggage.
Yeah.
Because maybe one is born into a family like this with a background and a royal family background, and we should be very, very grateful that God has chosen us to be here.
Yeah,
So then I'll use the word privilege.
privilege. Of
Yes,
course, of
yes,
course it is.
yes,
It is.
yes,
Yeah,
definitely.
Yeah.
But at the same time, I don't think with friends, or even if I don't know somebody, I'm meeting somebody and who only knows me as okay.
Just like an acquaintance,
Yes,
you wouldn't
but
be
I
very
would
like
still
sort
be
of,
who I am.
Yeah.
That is more me than anything else.
Yeah. And of course, as you said also that you were taught from your childhood to treat everyone equally. So
Yes.
when then it is
Yes.
like sort of
Always.
double standards
Always.
when you say that
Yes.
you're sort of taught in a certain way where you have to treat
Absolutely.
everyone
Yes.
equally, but then you expect people to treat you with a different sort of
It's not possible.
yeah, it's
Then
not possible.
Not
and then,
possible.
yeah,
Not
yeah,
possible.
Yeah.
Like my dadi would go to villages and she would take us with her, and then they would put the khatla and then she would sit and talk to the villagers.
Yeah. And
you
that's how
know,
it is.
And
that's
then
how
we
it
would
should
eat
be.
in pattal dona.
Yeah. Because end of the day, everyone.
So
I mean,
it
we
was
all
so
are human
that,
beings.
that food that we eat in the pattal dona, it's just there. It just lingers.
Yeah.
That memory,
Yeah, so satisfying.
It's amazing. And I remember when my daughter was, I think, fourth birthday. I'm not sure what, but it was either 4 or when she was about 4 or 5 years old, I asked her, she was studying in Ahmedabad, but I asked her that what birthday party would you like? Would you like a cake? What do you like me to do? She says, no, Mama. I think she was 5. She's because she could speak, she could knew her mind. So she says, no, Mama, I would like to have a Pattal Dona party with my friends in Santrampur.
Oh, wow.
Sit down with them on the ground and eat. And I was so happy, I said,
so it comes naturally.
It
you
comes
can't
naturally.
teach these things
Yes.
to children.
She didn't want any fancy party. She was just happy
That's
sitting in that
so
Pattal
good.
Dona and eating with her childhood playmates.
Yeah. But don't you think that is what true blue-bloodedness is? When you
Absolutely.
are, above your titles and everything.
Absolutely.
And, what you call that
Absolutely.
khandani,
Absolutely.
thing
Yeah.
where, you respect
You don't-
everyone, you treat
you don't
everyone
need to tell
equally.
people,
Yes, you don't need to tell about your
No,
titles to
no,
anyone.
no, not at
People
all.
would-
We used to be shy in school, or even telling that we live in a fort or something. It's very shy.
Yeah.
You know?
It is sort of an embarrassing. See, because like we
Haan.
come from a business family,
Yes.
but again, like a blue-blooded, where the
Yes,
generations
yes,
were into
absolutely,
businesses.
absolutely.
So the same things were taught to even us,
Yes,
that you
yes.
don't have to sort
You don't
of
have to tell.
tell
or,
yeah.
Actions speak louder than words, I think.
Exactly. And you have to treat everyone
Absolutely.
equally.
And how you conduct yourself.
Self. Yeah.
I think
that is most
important.
Yes.
When you know how you're conducting yourself, automatically
people know you come from a certain background,
Yes,
and then they
yes.
start respecting
Absolutely.
you automatically. So it's all
Absolutely.
natural.
Yes,
One
yes.
doesn't have to carry the baggage of that.
No, not at all.
blue-blooded-
No, not
Yeah,
at all. Not
yeah.
at all. Not at all.
True.
Yeah. Just be the person you are.
You are. Yeah.
Most important.
When people meet you for the first time, what do they usually get wrong about you?
So I don't think they get anything wrong, but maybe they might think I'm reserved. Initially, they might think
Yeah.
first appearance might be that, but
Yeah.
I'm not.
Yeah.
I'm
You
not.
are.
I can make
You
friends
are
very
not.
easily.
Yes.
I can talk to any age group. I can talk to anybody.
Yeah.
I'm not a reserved person. So maybe they might think I'm reserved, but
Yeah.
I'm not like that.
You are not.
No, not at
all.
all. Not
no.
at all.
From my experience, also, I
Yes.
know. I remember when I met you first time. I mean, you were this utmost beautiful and very graceful lady, and I was very charming, and I thought you would be like sort of a snob or
Yes,
something, but then
yes.
you were so friendly,
Yeah.
so warm, and I was so happy to know you. I mean, I was so happy to know you as a person, and also to I didn't know that you were Digvijay Singh Ji's daughter, and when you told me, I instantly connected. I was like,
And I didn't know that
wow.
you're from Madhya Pradesh, so we
Yes,
have that
and
little
I
Madhya
told my
Pradesh
father,
connect.
and he was also so happy.
Yes,
I told him that
yes.
I met Digvijay Singh
Yes.
Ji's daughter, and so
Oh,
there was an
yeah.
instant connection,
There
and that's the way you are.
There
you
was
know, you connect with
Janma
people.
Bhumika connect between
वो भी
you
है,
and
no,
me.
but also because of the human being that you are. Yeah.
It's reciprocal. I always feel it's reciprocal. I mean, even you just make everybody comfortable, Khushbu. You have this charm. I've been to your home also. You're a great hostess, and you just make a person comfortable, and that is your charm.
Thank you so much. So if my father is listening, he would be very happy.
Yes, definitely.
Especially coming from you.
Definitely.
Thank you so much.
Definitely.
Tell us about your passionate projects, Amber You and your gourmet brand.
Yes. Oh God, so much. So, Amber You is the brand that I started because I wanted to work with the Indian shins, which was the cheat.
Okay.
So, basically, this was a print.
Yeah.
At that time, it was printed in cotton and bright colors. Cheat meaning cheetah.
Yeah.
So, it was a small print.
Yeah.
It was
Cheetah of color.
Cheetah of color or print. Yes, cheetah.
Ink.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, cheetah. It was a small print, and inspired by the flora and fauna, and
Yeah.
few little Persian influence in a Ambi Keri design,
Yeah.
or a little bit of geometry like a line, or maybe a star or something like that. So these were prints that we grew up wearing and seeing in the local markets. They were printed on cotton, and they were worn by the tribals, by the locals also.
Yeah.
And
But not by the royals. So it's not
it
a royal
was,
tradition.
It was worn by the royals also when it was in the soft cotton. So
Okay.
when the Britishers, they saw this print, they also were very fascinated by the print.
Okay.
Then they started printing cheat in England
Okay.
in mills, but in pastel colors. So it was an entire
Okay.
Shins. They re-christened it Shins.
In
It was an
pastel
entire
colours.
revolution that took place.
Okay.
But so Shins was like, it was very, very big. It was then printed on velvet and on satin and everything when the whole revolution happened and they started printing it abroad. But in India, it was the humble cheat,
Okay.
which was printed on this coarse cotton, which
Okay.
was worn by the locals. Of course, even the Rani Maharanis did wear it, because there is a famous a song in Rajasthan, Kali Cheet ko ghagro, najaro mare re.
Of course.
So,
Very
Kali
famous.
cheet.
So, acha, it is
Haan,
that.
so
Okay.
Kali Cheet ko ghagro is cheet ka ghagra. So they
Okay.
did
So
wear
you're
the soft
reviving
mal,
that.
soft mal pe they would print cheat, and then wear it. So of course it
Wow.
was worn. But when we were growing up, it was very coarse cotton, which I wanted to work with it at that time. But it was just the colors would run on each other and the cotton was very coarse. So I did buy a lot of cheat
Cheat.
from the markets because I wanted to work with it. That was
Okay.
back in 1994.
Okay.
And it was readily available in the market at that time.
Okay.
I tried
Everywhere.
Yeah,
Throughout across India or only Gujarat?
No,
or
Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat.
Okay. Yeah.
Gujarat especially, of course, Madhya
Yeah.
Pradesh also. Rajasthan I've never seen, but yes, in the towns it is definitely there. Cheat was found there also.
Okay.
Even Punjab, Himachal, some
Okay.
belts of Punjab, Himachal also. It was printed in Gujarat and Surat. Then the mills started printing it. na.
Okay.
Pehle to it used to be resist dyeing.
Yeah.
Then it was block printing.
Okay.
Then it was printed in the mills.
Okay.
And then, of course, the Britishers Europe
Took
it
it to
yes, and
Britain
rechristened
and-
as Shins and
Okay.
the poor cheat got lost in the whole thing.
Yeah.
So I wanted to work with it, so bought a lot of it, kept it, tried to make things out of it. It didn't work out, and then my children were younger, and I was busy with them, so I just put it on the back burner.
Okay.
And in 2012 or 13, I started thinking about working with it again, and started finding out how can I reprint this.
Yeah.
So I did a lot of R&D to find out where is cheat printed. So
Okay.
whoever I went to, they said, yeah, we used to print cheat, but now it's not available anymore. There's no demand for it, so we're not printing. And when I went to the market to look for it, they said nobody's asking for it, so we're not getting it.
Oh. Oh my God.
So the market, it's not available.
Hmm.
Printers used to print but are not printing it anymore because
Okay.
there is no demand for it.
Okay.
Even the tribals have started modernizing and wearing synthetic sari because it's
Saris.
easier for
Easier
them
and cheaper.
wash and
Yeah.
wear and
Yeah.
So cheap demand ही नहीं होगा तो why will the supply happen?
Yeah.
So supply totally stopped, manufacturing stopped. Very, very few people are working with it now, manufacturing it. So luckily I had the designs. So I went to the printers and asked them that it was screen printing that they were doing at that time.
Okay.
Will you do screen printing? So I said we'll have to make the screen and we
Okay.
can revive the old prints.
Wow.
So we chose about 10 prints, said okay, let's give them all names and numbers and you make the screens.
Okay.
So then they did the screens.
And
the
that's how you
result,
revived
my
it.
God, when those
When
prints
it came
came,
up, yeah,
it was
okay.
just like, it was so lovely. But you still have to, I don't think I've still reached where I want to with Amber Hue. I still feel that we need to do a lot, need to make people more aware.
Okay.
And we can print on any medium. Now we are
Yeah.
printing on chiffon. What I'm wearing is
Yeah.
cheat print,
Right.
which we call raindrop because of these little drops on it,
Yeah.
and
But the flowers are
these are the cheat, the shins, the cheat ka,
Okay.
original cheat. This is the print
okay.
from original like old cotton, this much piece, which
Okay.
the original was in green, in a popty green color.
Okay. Okay.
So you can print n number of color combinations.
Right.
One print
Yeah.
can be done in n number
Any
of color
colour,
combinations.
Yeah.
So that is the beauty of it.
Of it. Yeah.
It can be printed on any material. You can
And you get people to print it here in Santrampur,
No,
or you
no.
have to travel
outsource. We have to go to proper screen printers
Okay.
for cotton,
Yeah.
and softer like more fragile material like chiffon we do digitally.
Okay.
Yes.
But nothing is printed here. in
No, here we
Sandrampur.
don't print. No,
Okay.
no, we don't have.
And you don't have the karigars.
we
you
don't
have the
have
screen.
No, no,
that
no,
machine.
the screen.
Yeah.
We have to have people who know how to do screen printing.
Yeah, they know
How to
technical
make a
know-how.
screen.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Because for one pattern to come, it has to be every color is a matching.
Yeah.
So every color is a different screen. So
Okay.
one print like this, say Raindrop, will have about 5 to 6 screens
Okay.
for one print. Won't be just कि one screen किया और उसमें आ
उसमें
गया.
आ गया.
It's not as easy as
Yeah,
that.
Yeah.
Every color combination will have one screen.
Okay.
That's how they do
So
it.
it's technical,
Yes, yes, it's definitely
Yeah.
technical.
but good that you're reviving it. So,
And keeping it alive
yeah,
till the time I feel that the world is ready to, because everybody's gone into monotones now.
yeah.
So though there is a fashion revival all
can
the
it
time
be done
happening,
in monotones?
of course,
For
but
to sort of
you can do
lures,
subdued
younger
colors.
generation-
You
young
can do
generation.
subdued colors.
Okay.
You
Pastel,
can
of
do.
course.
You
pastel,
can do
of course,
pastels.
yeah,
Yes, you
yeah.
can do pastel colors, which I've done for my furnishing for my rooms and
Upholsteries
all.
and
Yeah,
yeah,
we've
and
done
they're
them in
beautiful.
yes, we've done them in pastel
Yeah,
colors. But whenever you see somebody abroad talk about India, they always talk about the colors of India.
Yeah.
You
Of
know,
course,
when you
yeah.
ask somebody what is your one memory, they'll say either color or noise or
right,
the
right. But we
So,
are aping them,
we are-
and we are forgetting our
Yes,
vibrant.
why are we
colours
forgetting?
and- yeah.
Everything in India was technicolor, was
Yeah.
multicolor. India is all about color.
It's colorful. Yeah.
Everything is colorful.
It's colorful and diverse.
Diverse. So, we have to embrace it. We have to enjoy it. We have
True.
to wear it.
Sort of not shy away from
no,
it, and yeah,
why?
yeah.
Why?
Yeah, because personally, I feel too. I mean, monochrome is something that is coming from abroad, and
From
that is
the
not a very
West,
Indian thing because
definitely.
blacks and whites are generally
And when
they're mourning colors in
yes,
India. and-
absolutely.
yeah.
And when they took our shins, then the entire revolution of shins prints happened at that time. So
Yeah.
India was Europe, especially the UK, went crazy over shins.
Shins, yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Even today, everybody knows what shins is. It'll be like a flower print.
Yeah.
But chint, which was the original, nobody talks
Nobody
about
knows,
anymore.
Yeah, yeah.
So that was a passion that I had to keep it alive.
Yeah.
Because we grew up wearing
How
it.
lovely.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. In
So
fact, I'm so
enjoy.
thankful to you, that you're doing this because this is our culture and
Yes.
we're
It's a
proud of
textile
it.
heritage. It's
I'm
a
proud
print
of it.
heritage, you
Yeah,
know.
it should
Yes.
should be kept alive.
It's very important.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
And I feel that one day I also want to print on, say, crockery. Why can't you have a
I was
Shins
just going to
crockery?
ask you that.
You know, maybe
are
a
you planning to do it on
tray.
plates,
Yes,
dinner
I've thought.
plates?
I've
yeah.
thought, but I just
Even
have.
on vases and
Yes,
pots and
yes,
Yeah,
yes. It's a
yeah.
print that we need to keep alive.
yeah, yeah.
You know, so it can be printed on any medium.
Any medium. How lovely. Yeah.
Maybe wrapping paper,
Yeah, of course.
You know?
Gift papers.
gift paper.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Gift bags, gift papers.
True.
Yeah. Also about you asked me about the gourmet
Yeah.
brand, and as I said, I love food because food culture is most important for me.
Yeah.
And so living near the forest, which I love, I realized that there was a lot of produce in the forest and the fields that is not utilized by us. It goes waste. Flowers fall to the forest floor and nobody looks at them, and then they become mulch,
Yeah.
So that is how Santrampur Field and Flower came about. I heard from somebody that the flowers of flame of the forest, Kesura, Tesu flower,
Yeah.
which come during Holi,
Yeah.
so they were used for holy color because there's a
Yeah,
natural
organic
saffron.
holy colour, yeah.
Yes. So, but somebody told me that it's very cooling. It cures acidity.
Okay.
So then I said, let's make a flower tea.
Okay.
So then we developed a Kesura tea,
okay. Wow.
and then we have this. It's something what the tribals here, the locals call khati bhindi.
Okay.
It's a seasonal shrub that they plant along the borders of their fields,
Okay.
and they use the stem to make rope.
Okay.
But they would say khati bhindi, but when I realized that, then they told me that you can use the flour to make a chutney because it's very khatta. and you can use the leaf to make a bhaji. And when I actually got it and started looking at it and I researched, it turned out to be roselle. The roselle flower, which is in Australia, the best of chefs are working with roselle. It's native to to Australia also. It's a native to our northeastern states and even our northeastern states. You have, it's called wild hibiscus. It's very rich in vitamin C. It's like 1,000 times or something potent, very, very high potency. I don't know the exact amount. And it was just not being used. They were making the stem rassi. And this same roselle is what in Andhra Pradesh they make gongura pickle with the leaves. And this with the leaves and the flowers.
And the flower also.
So we make a forest. We make a tea with it, with the roselle petals. We dry them and it can be made into a very nice drink, tea. Then we make a jam with it, roselle jam, high in vitamin C.
And without any preservatives?
No preservatives, no preservatives. Sugar is
the natural preservative.
Yes, sugar is a natural preservative. And we make, now we've developed a hot sauce also with it.
Yeah, I just had it.
You had it.
It's really hot, but it's yum.
Yes, yes. So it's really, because roselle is so khatta, so it just blends
goes
well.
Good with,
yes. So it's really amazing.
Chili.
Yes, it goes very well with chili. Yes.
I agree.
So this is just a few products. We do a forest pesto, which I developed myself, which we use moringa leaves and one tulsi. So we have two kinds of one tulsi that grow here wild. Which they call damro and bafso here in Santrampur. And I use that to make the forest pesto.
Wow.
Then of course, and of course maua is the highlight, which maua tree is a tree that is revered by the tribals in central India, throughout from Orissa to Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, maybe parts of Rajasthan, I'm not sure, but definitely this belt. And maua flowers only for 15 days after Holi.
Just 15
days. But it is so precious. You have to collect the flowers at dawn. Because if they get hit by the sun and the heat, then they get spoiled. So it's actually foraging that villagers do early in the morning at dawn. And we also collect that and we make marmalade with it, and we make a relish. You had the relish, I think, which you really enjoyed. And also we basically maua is used to brew liquor. Maua liquor is very, very tasty. It's got a great flavor to it. And so everywhere else except Gujarat, of course, one can brew the liquor, but here you can't. So I said, what do you do? So let's make marmalade. Let's make a relish. You know, and also you can dry the maua flower, and you can make, maybe people are making trail mixes. You can make laddus out of it. You can make halwa, because maua is very high in sugar content. So tribals, when they keep the flour, they dry it and they store it. It is used as a replacement for sugar.
Natural substitute
for sugar. Yes, can be used. And the other most important thing is that then when it fruits, the fruit is like an olive fruit. And the seed of that fruit is dried and used to make cold press oil.
Oh my God! Wow. So
which we are also making.
Cold pressed oil?
Yes, we are making the maua cold pressed oil also, which is highly beneficial. You can eat it. It can be used for cooking. It can be used for salads, and also it can be used as a body oil for massage and stuff. It's like, you know.
And is it a healthy oil?
Very healthy oil.
Yes. Something like olive oil?
Yes, very similar to olive oil. Very similar.
Wow. Yes. Oh my God, this is so inspiring. I mean, I love the fact that Royal Women are so entrepreneurial minded, and all of you are doing something or the other to, either reviving your crafts, you're doing business, And you're inspiring so many women around and promoting financial
Yes.
independence amongst women.
Definitely, we have women,
Especially in the region where you're
foraging, and they
living.
come
so,
and they help me to
yeah,
do
so
the
giving
Mahua
employment
thing. Yes.
opportunities also
Yes,
to
yes.
them. Yeah.
We have, I'll tell you something, in Raj Mahal, our old palace, I mean, right now, it's not in a very good state, we need to restore it. But the main chowkidar of Raj Mahal is a lady.
Oh wow, really?
Yes.
Can she handle it?
Yes, she's very good.
Okay.
So her husband was the chowkidar and he
Okay,
passed away.
Passed away. So now she's taken
So
the charge.
it's been many years, about 15 years ago he passed away. And I said, why should I get a new person?
Yeah,
I
and
told her, I said,
trustworthy
Sushila,
and
will you
also, why
stay? She
not?
said, yes, of course I will.
Okay.
And so she does.
How lovely.
And why can you not have
Yeah.
a woman, lady
Yeah,
taking care
yeah.
of something?
I mean, as
for
long
you?
as they're trustworthy.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
True that. What is one experience or project you are currently excited about?
There's just so much happening at the same time, but keeping Ambaryu and Santrampur Field and Flower alive, and I want to take it to a more national, international level.
Okay.
So that's one thing that I'm working on continuously, which I
Okay.
need to get it to a certain,
So you mean to say export?
whatever I can do with it,
Yeah.
but it's something that I have to think long term of making. The reach has to be bigger now than what
Yeah.
I am reaching out to right now. So
Right.
that's definitely there all the time in my head.
Okay.
And at the same time, a restoration of Hawa Mahal, the smaller palace that we have on the
Yes.
hill,
Yeah.
is what we are thinking of doing next.
Okay.
So it's a very quaint property. There's
Yeah.
a Shiv temple there. It has a 360-degree view of the entire valley.
Yeah.
So Santrampur is in a valley,
Yeah.
surrounded by,
By
the,
the-
lower Aravalis.
Yeah.
These are the lower Aravalis.
Okay. Okay.
So, so let's see. Definitely, Hawa Mahal restoration would be
Is your
is something
next
that
project
yes,
that you're
yes,
looking
yes,
forward to.
definitely.
Okay.
And how I'll do the interior and all.
Yeah, we would love to see it.
Yes, I already know what I'm going to do, but yeah.
Okay. Okay. Something
my head.
similar or something like really different?
So it'll be similar, but little more different. Like
Ah.
the concept, the rooms and all, I'll do little different.
Yeah. Your
Yeah.
inspiration is what? Italy?
Italy, of course, always.
Yeah, because
Europe,
you like
I'm really inspired by European
yeah,
architecture.
Yeah.
But Hawa Mahal I want to mix because it has a lot of these beautiful stone jharokas.
Okay. So a lot of
And
Indian
yes, it has stone
Indian
jharokas,
elements.
but the floor has these English and Japanese. Some were made in Japan and some were in Britain. These tiles, English tiles.
Okay.
Flower tiles, the
Okay,
old tiles. So maybe a mix of both.
Okay. So
Uh,
eclectic.
Eclectic,
Yeah.
but in my head I'm thinking that I'm going to use like a metallic color theme for each room.
Okay. Okay.
It's not something that people have worked with.
Yeah. Like
So each
never
room
seen.
will be will be like a ode or a tribute or a highlight of a particular metal. So maybe one room will be like brass and gold.
Okay. So
you
it's,
know,
it's going to go towards
One will go to silver.
right.
One you can do
Ornamental
copper.
sort of.
So just but very very subtle.
Okay.
Not too much also.
Yeah, but
Because
but
people
contemporary
need-
language will be contemporary, or it will be like this only mix of
Mix. It'll be a mix. It'll
okay.
be a mix.
Yeah,
But not too much also because metal can get very heavy.
overwhelming.
Yeah, it can be very overwhelming. But that is my concept, which in
Let's
my head.
see.
Yes.
Interesting
Because
it sounds.
I'll only get about 4 rooms there. So it'll be like a
Okay.
standalone rent a palace.
Okay.
So the entire palace is
wow.
yours, whether you take 1 room or 4
Or
rooms.
4 rooms. Okay.
So it'll be more like a personalized experience.
Very
is what we are
interesting.
imagining it.
Okay.
So let's see.
Yeah. How would you personally define elegance or style? Being a Rajput, do you stick to your chiffons and the poshaks and all of that you wear in the weddings and formal functions, or are you into like designer wear as well?
No, I think just saris
Sticking
for
to the
formal
shiv-
wear,
yeah.
definitely saris and poshaks and
Okay.
heavy saris, maybe your old tissue saris and
Yeah,
things
your
like
iconic
that.
look.
Yes, yes. I
Yeah.
think that is what I am all about. Like formally, you would see me only in that.
In that.
Even casually, I mean here I'm only in saris.
Yeah.
Yes,
And you're not into
definitely.
Indian designers or international designers like
No.
how the Maharanis used to be, with their things
So
used
maybe
to go
with
to-
accessories.
Okay.
maybe with
Like
accessories.
shoes and bags. And
Yes,
which
of
is your
course.
favorite
Yes.
international designer for bags and for shoes?
Okay, so I think Fendi is good bags.
Okay,
I
okay.
like.
Any reason, particular reason
I
for
don't
it?
know. It's just like something. I like the way they,
They design and the quality.
Yes,
and-
yes,
Okay,
yes.
okay.
Fendi is good, and for formal, also you have Judith Lieber is beautiful.
Okay.
They
Yeah,
do
the
very
bags,
nice. The bags,
beautiful.
yes,
Yeah, the
yes.
shapes they come
Yes,
up with, the
yes,
designs, and
yes.
yeah, very creative, very
creative.
artistic.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah.
So those are very beautiful, and they go with the whole Indian pop thing.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
with all the glam of a dressy occasion.
Yeah, yeah.
So yes, but I think even the Maharanis, it was always with accessories.
Yeah, but sometimes
Um,
converting their like chiffon saris with sort of mixing
maybe
it
you
with
can-
French.
Yes, maybe you can have
laces
like
or
a French lace. Of course,
Yeah.
I have saris with French laces and massive French laces. Like,
okay.
they used to buy, and of course, they used to come for them French chiffons also.
Yeah,
they
also,
would,
yes.
would wear,
Yeah.
and Chantilly lace.
Yes.
So
of
you have
course.
Chantilly lace ka full sari, but olden days they also had just borders that they would put of Chantilly lace
Yeah.
in the saris,
yeah,
which is
yeah.
so
So beautiful,
fragile,
yeah. So
beautiful,
delicate, yeah.
Yes, so it was more of handwork.
I think Maharani Indra Devi was one of the ones who were like sort of patrons of it.
Cooch Behar, that was
Yes, Cooch Behar.
Rajmata Gayatri Devi,
Gayatri
Jaipur's
Devi's
mother.
mother.
Yes,
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 yes.
she was very iconic.
Yeah.
So they always accessorized, maybe like a Chanel coat thrown over,
Yeah.
yeah,
or like a fur jacket.
or a fur. Of course, yes,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
definitely,
Lovely.
definitely.
Okay.
Yes,
One fashion item you think would never go out of style?
I would say a bag, like a good classic bag.
Okay.
You know.
But you mean to say like an evening bag, clutch or something, or like
Yes,
any
definitely
shape,
a good
design?
good evening bag.
Yeah.
Maybe like a Chanel classic. Never go out of style.
True that.
Never.
Yeah.
I think for me, I would
That
invest.
would be okay.
That would be my accessory.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
definitely.
And
a
what
good
about
bag.
pearl strings and all? Are you into pearls?
So jewelry, of course.
How?
My mother-in-law was loved pearls,
Okay.
and she used to in fact खुद पुरोते थे pearls को
Okay.
अपने हाथ से. She used to grade them also.
Okay.
She had chalnis. She would
Okay.
grade, and she
Okay.
would actually make Thakur ji ka jewelry.
Wow, how talented.
Yes, she would make Thakur ji ka jewelry, and so she
With
was
real pearls.
with real pearls, with Basra pearls.
Basra pearls.
Yes,
Wow.
yes.
Okay.
So yes, of course, jewelry, of course, never
Yeah.
goes out of style.
Never goes out of style.
A
Yeah.
classic pearl string,
Yeah.
or just like a nice pair of earrings.
Yeah.
Um,
But what do
nice-
you like
nice-
most?
Nice Art Deco ear clips.
Art Deco.
Yes,
Yeah. Yeah.
So those are also great to wear. So whole lot of things.
Yeah. Yeah.
Very difficult to name one, right?
Yeah, true that.
But yeah.
Especially if you're asking like a
Yes,
woman.
yes, yes.
So yeah. Do you feel being a princess today is more about diplomacy, cultural representation, or something else entirely?
I think diplomacy would have been if we were at that
Era.
era
Yeah,
where the
living
Raj
in that
was,
era
and then we were
yeah.
able to sort of but I
But
would
still
definitely
with like
dealing with
associating your-
people.
yeah,
Yes.
No, also associating yourself with certain parties like
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So definitely diplomacy is there, but I think being today, being from a royal family, it's the main thing is of keeping your cultural heritage alive.
Alive.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
So there's that is a huge responsibility,
True.
and that is something that one in whichever way. So cultural can be tangible, intangible, whether
Yeah.
it's a building or it's a festival
Yeah.
or it's a recipe,
Traditions.
a food item. It's a
Yeah.
tradition. It's what clothes you have. It's some embroidery. It's some handwork. It can be anything.
Anything.
So,
But as long as you're keeping it alive and taking it
keeping
forward.
it alive, preserving what you have,
Yeah.
holding on to it, restoring it if it needs restoration,
Yeah.
and putting it out there for the world to see.
To see. Yeah.
Because till you don't, people don't see it, they don't understand
Yeah. True
what
that.
we have to offer.
Yes.
So I think cultural heritage is the most
Most
important. To keep, and everything comes under that.
Right.
The umbrella is huge.
Huge.
It's
Yeah.
huge. Yes.
True. If someone were visiting Santrampur for the first time,
Mm.
what would you insist they experience? And describe Santrampur in just 3 words. What would they be and why?
So if somebody came to Santrampur, I would first talk about I would tell them to first take in the natural beauty.
Okay.
Go for a forest walk.
Yeah. Is there a forest around?
Yes, there is one.
Okay.
There is
Wow.
a
Okay.
huge 900-acre forest that we
Okay.
had called Mathuran across
Okay.
the lake.
Okay.
So I would say go to a forest walk.
Okay. Okay.
I'm actually in the process of curating a forest bathing experience. You know what forest
Wow. Yeah,
bathing
of
is? That when
course,
you
of
just
course,
sit and
yeah.
take in the forest.
Yeah.
That's
Soak in the
something, soak
energy
in.
of forest.
So that's something that I'm actually trying to curate an experience. So definitely the first thing would be to take in the natural beauty of the area,
Yeah.
and of course then the food,
Yeah. Of course. Yeah.
and maybe the palaces
Yeah.
and the ruins. We have temple ruins also,
Yeah.
14th century temple ruins.
Yeah.
That's
And
something.
you also have an 11th century Mahakal Mandir, right?
Kal Bhairav.
Kal Bhairav Mandir.
Yes, we have a Kal Bhairav temple.
In the palace itself.
Yes, in the compound. We have
Wow.
very, very
Yeah.
old temple. Yes.
Okay.
So,
So
definitely
those are the
that.
things,
Yes,
yeah.
and 3 words would be heaven is a place on earth.
No, I mean 100%.
If somebody
true.
asked me
Yeah.
about Santam, say heaven is
Heaven
a place
on
on earth.
Yes, 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 yes.
That would be my
Okay.
tagline.
Sure. And I agree with it. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. With this, we've come to an end of our conversation. Thank you so much, Mandakini, for your time and warm hospitality.
It's my pleasure,
Really
Khushbu.
appreciate
It's
it.
your
And I
home.
can-
Keep coming back to see us.
Definitely. I mean,
Yes.
I would love to.
Definitely.
And I cannot not mention about the scrumptious food that I had. And, I would love people to come and see Santrampur, enjoy the food, which is, the produce is local, everything is made in-house, and everything is so organic, pure. And these are all, I mean, delicacies, isn't it?
Yes,
So,
it
yeah.
is. It is
Thank
from
you
the
so-
heart.
It is from the heart, definitely. And all home cooked,
Yes.
made by your chefs and your
Yes.
cooks, your trained staff. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Really, really
Thank you.
appreciate.
Thank you for coming, and you're most welcome. This is your home.
Thank
Keep
you.
coming back to see us.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you all for listening to us. If you haven't already, please do subscribe us. See you soon. Until then, stay creative.